Hello, beautiful people. Yeah, I have my hair in a braid today. I don't know why I'm holding it like this, but I really wanted you to see it, apparently. But anyways, what is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my house. So you guys can probably tell by my lack of preparation in outfits and also time of day, this video wasn't exactly planned, but I randomly decided that I was gonna film this, so I'm filming it. I am absolutely obsessed with French architecture. I love the Palace of Versailles and all the Parisian buildings, and especially after I saw the photos at the Met Gala this year, I just decided that I had to live there myself. And since obviously I cannot live there in real life, I thought I would go ahead and, you know, bring it to me. So tonight, I'm just gonna do a quick little video showing you guys how I'm turning my house into a French Parisian palace. Broke bitch style, of course. Okay, so usually when I start these videos, I'll do an outfit of the day, but since, like I said, I didn't really plan this video, I am literally wearing a nude sports bra and a headband, and that's literally it. Just kidding, I'm wearing sweatpants too, because, I mean, obviously I wouldn't just walk around my house naked while I know I'm on camera, so I do that, you know, off camera, but, anywho, that's my really boring outfit of the day. Let's get back to our constructioning. So I filmed myself at Lowe's earlier because whenever I do a project, I always film myself shopping for it, just in case. So here we go. Here's me at Lowe's shopping earlier today. Blind you with the ice. Okay. Woo! Alrighty, so we are at Lowe's and we'll see what we're gonna get. All right, so we need to get some things to stick the things onto the wall. So I think we're gonna go to the hardware section. Well, would you look at that? Here we are. Oh God, so many options. What do I want? I think we're gonna go with these. I don't really know if these are gonna work, but let's hope for the best here. So, alrighty, grab, well, all of them. I'm buying a ladder too, so I needed some assistance. I think I actually have to Uber that home, which is even worse. But anyways, so we got all the goods and I'll see you back at home. Woo! All right, so here's all the things that we got. We'll see if it works. We did it, kids. So, alrighty. Fantastic. So you're probably wondering what the heck we're actually even sticking on the walls. So here's a flashback from a couple days ago when I went to the coolest store ever. Oh my gosh, look at this place. Oh, I can't breathe. I literally was beyond shook in here. This is amazing, oh my God. We are in the coolest place I think I've ever been. And I've been some cool places. Whoa, look at all the options. Oh my God. Alrighty, we got the box of goodies. Let's go. Like, oh my God, this is amazing. Oh, wow. This is my house now. Wonder if they'd be mad if I lived in here. Alrighty, so here's what we're going to use for this project. Oh, ta-da! You can see, okay, so these are called Appliques and Onlays. Well, where the heck do you get these? Well, let me tell you, it took me about a year of Googling to figure out what the heck they were, but kind of like crown molding, you can get them on any like architectural design website. So I got a bunch of these, you can see, ta-da. This is already painted gold. You can see it's kind of made of like a weird plastic material. So there we go, I got that. And then I got some other pieces. This is another one of the ones that I got. You can see they kind of just come in like literally a bunch of different pieces. So there we go, you can kind of like make them be whatever design you want to be. So we'll screw around with that in a second. In addition to the gold ones, I also got some white ones because I didn't want like my whole house to be gold. Well, I mean, I did, but even I know making everything gold is a bad idea. So we got some white ones too. Again, not really sure what we're gonna do with them, but we'll play with those in a minute. And then of course from good old Lowe's, I got some command strips and some clear mounting tape. I don't really know if these are going to work, but hopefully they do because it's late and I don't wanna go out again. So that's basically all we got for this project and we're gonna get started. Okay, so I'm not showing you my whole house because it's still not done yet, obviously, but this is the wall that we're going to get started with. You can see, oh, it's beautiful, but very, very plain, which, you know, y'all know plain is not my aesthetic at all. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this one. So first thing, I'm just gonna lay them out. You can see I got 1, 2, 3 of those. So I just laid them all next to each other so they kind of connect. And then I got 2 of these. So I have one over here and then one over here. And that's gonna kind of be the design, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put them up there. So to do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and whip out the command strips, go ahead and peel the backs off of those like so. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and stick them on the back of the applique, kind of like double-sided tape. Go ahead, peel the other side of the command strip off, and boom! it's ready to go on the wall. Oh yeah, duh. I also got a ladder because I'm short. Y'all always ask why I wear heels all the time. It's because I'm only 5'3" and I need the extra inches where I can get them. So anyways, yeah. I've been procrastinating starting this video for long enough, so we're actually just gonna get started now. Okay. P.S. I was literally so afraid that I was gonna fall off the ladder and break my legs doing this, but good news, obviously that didn't happen, so. Anywho, all you gotta do is go ahead and just stick that right onto the wall. Boop, boop, doop. Perfecto. And there we go. We're done. Just kidding, but we do got one, so now we just got all the rest to go. Then you can just do the same thing with the other pieces, press them on the wall one by one until it's done! Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful! Wow, that was easier than I thought. All right, on to the next. So for the next wall, you can see this one is also really, really plain. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one all in white, kind of similar to this photograph. So you can see the before right here. Basically, all we're gonna do is actually, literally the same thing. So whip out the white moldings from before, same thing, put the command strips all over the back of them like a crazy person. The more command strips, the merrier. And then we're just gonna go ahead and stick them right onto the wall. Boop, 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 stick, 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 all over the place until you kind of get any sort of design going. By the way, fun tip, if you know how to use Photoshop, that's a great way to kind of mock up things that you're doing before you do them in your house. Like you can see, I kind of did that here. It's not even close to perfect, but you know, just to get the generic idea. 1 by 1, 2 by 2, the appliques go on the wall, hurrah, hurrah. All right, that's definitely not the song, but it's fine. And after a while, dun da da da. Well, okay, so I would say ta-da, but actually I misread the measurements on these completely, so I need to order like a whole nother box of them to actually finish this, but you get the idea. Wow, look how beautiful. I'd say mission accomplished. So there you have it, you guys. That is how I did my little Versailles castle decoration in my apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because, well, like I said, it was an afterthought. I just figured you guys would ask about it, and I also, of course, wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of my apartment, even though it's totally not done yet, but as you can see, it's taking me a long time because I'm getting a very specific aesthetic in here. So stay tuned. I promise the apartment tour is coming, and when it comes, it will be well worth the wait. So on that note, you can tell I'm literally like sweating. It's hot in here. Maybe it's the fact that I'm wearing sweatpants, but I would say that was, in a weird way, sort of hard work. Grab the braid one more time, just for old time's sake. I love you guys. Kisses till next time, my sweet, beautiful Princess Castle baby angels. XO. Always make my life look so glamorous online, but you know what it's really like? Me wearing a blanket as a dress in my unfinished castle. These crafts make such a mess. I'll figure out what I'm doing with the rest of this soon. But for now, even when everything's a mess, you can't forget your crown.